I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting the work area and gathering a cotton swab, paper towels, a plastic card, and diluted rubbing alcohol. Apply one tiny drop to a hidden corner to check how the paper reacts. This prevents surprise damage. Once done, note whether the ink bleeds or the fibers weaken. That determines pressure and solvent use. Make sure to use minimal liquid. You're aiming to loosen ink pigments without saturating the page, so work in small, controlled touches. You now lift the ink by blotting first to remove surface pigment. Press down, don't rub, to avoid spreading. Once surface transfer slows, use a swab dampened with the tested solvent and stroke from the paper's clean edge toward the stain. This pulls ink away instead of pushing it around. As you work, replace blotting pads frequently and use a plastic card to apply light pressure behind the stain so loosened particles move onto the towel. This controlled extraction prevents. You finish by drying and stabilizing the paper. Stand it upright or lay flat between clean blotters and allow air drying. A gentle fan helps but avoid heat. Once dry, press the area between heavy books to realign fibers and reduce cockling. If faint residual ink remains, repeat short, tested solvent cycles only after rechecking the paper's strength. If the sheet softens or tears, stop and consider professional conservation. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.